9 out of 10 drivers are essentially strangers to their own cars. Right now, there is a mechanical emergency exit and a digital reset switch inside your vehicle that could save you $5,000 in a single afternoon, yet you've probably walked past them every day for years. Most people wait until they're stranded on the highway or facing a massive dealership bill to learn these exist. Today, we're ending that. Don't skip a second, because secret number 8 is the difference between a minor hiccup and a total financial nightmare. Secret number 15, hidden grocery hook in your trunk. We've all been there. You take a sharp turn and hear that dreaded thud, followed by the sound of glass breaking or oranges rolling into the dark abyss of your trunk. Most drivers treat their trunk like a big empty box, but car designers are smarter than that. Inside your trunk, look closely at the sidewalls or the underside of the rear deck. You'll find a small, retractable hook. It looks insignificant, but it's engineered to hold the weight of multiple heavy grocery bags. By hooking the handles, you keep the bags upright and stationary. Why does this matter beyond spilled milk? Secret number 14, wiper lift trick for a deep clean. You've got a streak on your windshield that just won't go away, no matter how much fluid you spray. Most people assume the blade is shot and go spend $40 on a new set. Stop. The problem isn't the blade, it's the microscopic road grime trapped under the blade that you can't reach because the wipers are tucked under the hood line. Many modern cars have a service position. If you try to pull the wipers up normally, you'll scratch your hood. Instead, turn your ignition on, then off, and immediately hold the wiper stalk up. The wipers will sweep to the middle of the glass and stay there. Now you can lift them safely. Grab a microfiber cloth with some rubbing alcohol and wipe the edge of the blade. You'll see a thick black streak of oxidation come off. That 30-second clean can extend the life of your wipers by a full year and save you from micro-scratching your windshield, a repair that costs upwards of $800. Secret number 13, side mirror auto tilt, your parking lifeline. Parallel parking is the leading cause of curb rash, those ugly scrapes on your expensive alloy wheels. What if I told you your car is literally trying to help you see the ground? Many vehicles equipped with power seats have a tilt in reverse feature. Here's the trick. Shift into reverse, then move your mirror selector switch to either the left or right position. On many models, the corresponding mirror will automatically dip down to show you the rear tire and the curb. If it doesn't happen automatically, check your infotainment settings under Vehicle or Mirrors. Secret number 12, battery reset trick inside your ignition. This is where the expert knowledge really kicks in. You replace your battery and suddenly the car idles rough, the windows don't auto up anymore, and the fuel economy plummets. Your car hasn't developed a ghost, it's just lost its memory. Your engine control unit, ECU, learns your driving style over thousands of miles. When the power cuts, it goes back to factory dumb. To fix this without a $150 relearning fee at the shop, try this. Reconnect the battery, turn the key to on, don't start it, and wait 30 seconds. This allows the electronic throttle body to calibrate. Then, start the engine and let it idle for 15 minutes. For the windows, hold the button down until it's open, keep holding for 5 seconds, then pull it up and hold for 5 seconds. You've just indexed your windows and saved a trip to the mechanic. Secret number 11, adjustment lever under your steering wheel. It sounds basic, but 40% of drivers are sitting in a position that is actively damaging their spine and making them less safe. You probably know the wheel goes up and down, but did you know most modern cars have a telescopic column? Reach under the column, flip the lever, and try pulling the wheel toward you. Most people drive with their arms too straight, which slows down your reaction time in an emergency. You want your wrists to be able to rest on top of the wheel while your shoulders stay back against the seat. This aligns you perfectly with the airbag. If you've been feeling neck pain on long drives, I bet your steering wheel is too high or too far away. Take 10 seconds to find your Goldilocks zone today. Secret number 10. Remote start hidden inside your key fob. There is a huge scam running at dealerships where they charge you for a remote start package that is already programmed into your car. They just don't give you the special fob. Before you pay for an upgrade, try the secret sequence. On many fobs, especially Toyotas, Fords, and Chevys, pressing the lock button 3 times or pressing lock once and then holding will fire up the engine. Some manufacturers hide this behind their smartphone app, but the hardware is usually already there. Imagine pre-cooling your car to 70 degrees when it's 100 degrees outside without spending a dime. Go check your fob right now. Does it have a circular arrow icon? If not, try the triple-click lock trick anyway. You might be surprised. Secret number 9, wiper alignment pin on your wiper arm. Did you know your wipers have a 0 point? If your wipers are hitting the side of the windshield frame, the A-pillar, or resting too high on the glass, it's not a broken motor. At the base of the wiper arm, there's often a small plastic cap. Pop it off and you'll see a nut and a small alignment pin. If you loosen that nut slightly, you can adjust the resting position of the blade. This prevents the blade from chattering or overextending, and misaligned wiper can actually burn out the wiper motor, a $500 repair, just because it's fighting against the frame of the car. It takes 2 minutes to align. Secret number 8, transmission override near your gear shifter. This is the one that saves your life in traffic. Your car is dead, the battery is flat, and you are stuck in the middle of a busy intersection. You try to shift to neutral to push the car to safety, but the shifter won't move. Look for a tiny plastic square about the size of a name tag right next to your shifter. This is the shift lock release. Use your key to pop the cover, stick the key or a screwdriver into the slot, and push down. This mechanically bypasses the electronic solenoid, allowing you to roll the car to safety. I've seen people pay $200 for a tow truck just to move a car 50 feet because they didn't know this button existed. Do you know where yours is? Find it before you need it. Secret number 7, headlight washers and wipers on your bumper. If you drive a European car or a high-end SUV, you might have a hidden cleaning system. Have you ever noticed 2 small rectangles on your front bumper just below the headlights? Those aren't just trim, those are high-pressure pop-up sprayers. In many cars, they only activate when your headlights are on and you hold the windshield washer stalk for more than 2 seconds. Dirty headlights can lose 80% of their brightness, making night driving a literal gamble. If you didn't know you had them, you've likely been driving blind through snow and mud while the solution was literally inches away.
Secret number 6, transmission monitor warns of costly damage. The check engine light is famous, but the transmission temp screen is the real money saver. Transmission repairs are the #1 most expensive surprise bill, often costing $5,000 or more. Most modern trucks and SUVs have a hidden live data menu in the instrument cluster. You can scroll through to find TransTemp. If you are towing or even just driving in heavy stop-and-go traffic, keep an eye on this. If that number climbs above 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 104 degrees Celsius, your fluid is breaking down. Most drivers ignore the heat until the transmission slips, but if you see it rising, you can pull over, let it cool, and save yourself a 5-figure replacement bill. When was the last time you checked your car's vitals? Secret number 5, drain holes hidden around your sunroof. This is the most expensive secret on the list. If you see water on your floorboards or smell mold, 99% of people think the sunroof seal is broken. It's not. Sunroofs are designed to leak. There is a gutter system under the glass with 4 drain holes in the corners. These tubes run down through the pillars of your car. Over time, oak tassels, dust, and spider webs clog these tubes. The water backs up and pours into your headliner and onto your expensive electronics. To fix it, open the sunroof, find the holes, and blow some low-pressure compressed air or a piece of weed whacker string through them. This 5-minute task prevents a $2,000 interior restoration bill. Secret number 4, air filter replacement hiding under your hood. The dealership upsell classic. You're in for an oil change and the advisor brings out a dusty filter. It's $75 to swap this out, they say. Don't do it. On 90% of cars, the engine air filter is held in by 2 or 4 simple metal clips. You don't even need a screwdriver. You can buy the exact same filter at a parts store for $15 and swap it in the parking lot in 45 seconds. By doing this yourself, you're essentially paying yourself $60 for 1 minute of work. That's a $3,600 hourly rate.
Plus, a clean filter can boost your MPG by 10%. It's the easiest win in car maintenance. Secret number 3. Aiming screws hidden on your headlights. Do people constantly flash their high beams at you when yours are off? Or can you barely see the road at night? Your headlights aren't weak, they're just pointing at the trees or the dirt. Road vibrations and potholes knock your headlights out of alignment over time. Under your hood, on the back of the headlight housing, there are usually 2 silver screws, one for up-down and one for left-right. At night, park 25 feet from a wall and turn the screws until the hot spot of the beam is just below the level of your headlights. This increases your visibility distance by up to 50%. Improved visibility means more time to react to a deer or a debris. It's literally life-saving maintenance you can do with a Phillips screwdriver. Secret number 2. Recline lever hiding on your rear seats. The luxury feature you didn't know you had. We focus so much on the driver's seat that we treat the back seat like a church pew. In many crossovers and SUVs, there is a small fabric pull strap or a plastic lever at the base of the rear seat, often near the door. Most people think this is only for folding the seats flat for cargo, but if you pull it while sitting, the seat back will often recline 10 to 15 degrees. It transforms the back seat into a lounge. If you have kids or take road trips, this discovery will change your life. Go check your rear seats. Is there a hidden lever you've been ignoring? Secret number 1. Hidden sunglasses holder above your head. It's the simplest feature, yet the most overlooked. We've all done the blind fumbling in the center console for our shades when the sun hits. Look up. Right by your interior map lights, there is often a seamless plastic panel. Push it, a felt-lined drawer drops down, perfectly sized for your sunglasses. Why does this matter? Because leaving sunglasses on the dashboard ruins the polarized coating due to heat, and leaving them in the cup holder leads to scratches. Having them overhead keeps your eyes on the road and your glasses pristine. It's the ultimate hidden in plain sight feature that makes your car feel like it was actually built for you. How many of these were hiding in your car? If I just saved you a trip to the dealership or a spilled bag of groceries, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm here to make sure you're the smartest owner on the road.